Can you hear me now, guys? Is the sound now okay? Let me know, let me know. Yes, I think there is a lag between the Bitcoin. No audio, no audio, no sound. It should be okay now. Okay. I need to wait till YouTube catches up, guys, so I can see if you hear sound. Can you hear me now, guys? Yeah, it's working now. Is the sound now okay? Let me know, let me know. Yes, I think there is a lag between. Okay, perfect. I think it works. Let's see if this works, because it saves me a lot of time in Mexico with uploading, editing, and all this stuff. So let's see if this one works, and if you like the quality. Of course, yes, I will be doing really cool videos as well when I visit, and then I will do all the editing stuff. But I need to get in this rhythm. I still have this small jet lag. So, buenos dias from Mexico. That's how we open the YouTube live, of course. Of course, talking about Bitcoin, blockchain, and live a little bit. Let's see what we can do. Probably I can even share my charts that I think that should be possible on this way that I do it now. I need to be at 11 at the Bitcoin meetup. There is a Bitcoin meetup today here in TULUM, somewhere like 1.5 kilometer away from me somewhere. I need to go there. I will meet Da Vinci, DJ 15. I will meet Crypto. Ronnie will be there. I think Mother Long will be there. So a lot of Bitcoiners will be there. So that's really awesome. I'm looking forward to that. I can't see the chats at the moment, so that's really terrible. So I need to figure out how I can do that as well. But I'm going to do this video as I normally do a video without editing, without answering your chats at the moment. So the first thing I want to talk about, of course, is the Bitcoin charts. Let's see if I can pull up a Bitcoin chart and share with you guys what I think that is happening to Bitcoin and what we could do. Okay, like this. Then we go to, let's go to my pictures. I have some beautiful settings over there. Check. I think you can see this chart. If you see this chart, that's really beautiful, because you can see that we dropped below the channel that I drew a couple of days ago. So we went above the channel, we went into the channel, we dropped below this channel. This is a 4-hour chart. So this 4-hour candle still needs to close. I think we have like 1.5 hour left. If we close inside of the channel, that makes me very bullish. If we close down below the channel, that would be around this green box. Okay, a little bit less bullish, but still there's a huge area of support. So we could take it from there into this next bull run, which you can beautifully see on this chart. And if you look at this chart, you see a 4-hour chart. You can see this beautiful parabolic trend line support. And one is the one is bending up like this. You can see what happened last time when we hit that support line. Bam, we shot up. We shot up from 28 all the way up to 58. So that's 30K. Now, maybe we are doing this correction again. So we are in the same, like this downward pattern, going down, up, down, up, down. Then we will touch this logarithmic trend line support, bam, and we can take it up again, maybe whatever, 30K. Then we would end up at 72,000 US dollars. That is really cool. Another chart that I want to share with you guys, of course, is this is the Bitcoin meetup. I'm going to TULUM Crypto Club, Tuesday, 23rd of February. Really cool. I'm going to check later. Then, of course, I did trade yesterday. As you can see, I traded, of course, with this jet lag feeling. You can see, I think I made this screenshot at 2 a.m. I couldn't sleep. I woke up all the time. So you can see we traded 500 US dollar with a leverage of 10. Yes, I'm talking. I don't even know if you see this, but let's see. With a leverage of 10. Yes, it was a very, very, very lucky day. It was not a day that you have normal. Of course, we saw this huge dip. So you can see we traded at $500. Bam. I think you can see that as well now, the Gokshan tweet. And then we took it all the way up to 1,105 US dollars, because we had more than 100% profit with the first short. Then we had a long that took it up to 1,490 US dollars, and another long that took the amount up to $1,840. Then again, followed by a short that took the trading amount total to 3,276 US dollars. We started at $500 to $3,200. This was a lucky day. This is not a Didi Bam Bam or a TikTok normal day. This was a completely lucky day because we used the trading stop loss of 500. We had a huge wick that gave us the perfect start. And then, yes, we had some normal shorts and longs, followed up again by a huge short, which made this day a little bit more beautiful than all the other days. Yes, we were in a crash, but even when Bitcoin crashes and you use the Bam Bam indicator or the TikTok indicator, you're able to multiply your Bitcoins or to make profits. This is really strange. I don't see my own face, so I don't even see what I'm saying at the moment. If you want to look at the charts again, then please visit the Discord server. And because in the Discord server, now I can stop sharing. Bam! I am back again. I need to say more bams. Maybe then Bitcoin will go up again. Let's see. Oh, we're live again. So I need to say more bams, so you know that we get up with Bitcoin again above 50K, because we are not in Mexico to see Bitcoin crashing to 40K, 48K. You know, we already saw that now. So we had that. One sec. What can I talk about the news? Because I read some news. The thing that I read in the news, the most important part was Tether. Yeah, Tether, you should say. Tether won the court case. They did an $18.5 million settlement, which means that they prove that they had all the Tethers that were printed that were backed by the dollar, which means Tether is off the hook when it comes to this whole court case, which means Tether can continue printing Tethers backed up by the dollar. So Tether is not a scam. All the FUD is disappearing now, and hopefully the clouds up there will disappear as well, because it's a cloudy day today. So Tether, the whole FUD, kill it, because they will start to print. And now we are competing because we saw a huge transaction again from a Bitcoin miner into the exchanges. Willie Who tracks all these transactions. Check his Twitter as well. Check all his charts that he put. I think it's Woomable, that one. His website, Woomable or something is it. And you can see there that he also saw that again a transaction was done by the huge miners into an exchange. So now it will be a battle. Will this exchange be able to crash the price again? Are they all going to dump like FT pool, the F2 pool did yesterday? Or is Tether, because they won the court case, now so positive that they are going to use it to pump some more Bitcoins? I think I will keep it to this, guys. This is everything. It is a test, though I don't even know if you can see and hear what I'm seeing at the moment. So I will keep it to this. Hopefully I talked about like 10 minutes or something, because as the YouTube wants you to talk about 10 minutes. Let me know, please, down below the comments, if you enjoy the videos like this, if you can see everything like I shared at the moment. Please also let me know if the sound was okay. Let me also know if you want me to change something. I will try to optimize the settings in my YouTube, in my Zoom, and all that stuff. So you will be updated every day in a cool way without me losing too much time. Because if I start to edit all these videos 2-3 hours a day, I'm 6 hours behind of you guys. So it will already be the end of the day for you guys when I post the videos. So I want to keep you up to date as soon as possible. And that is why I try to do it with these lives. If you want more information about the Bam Bam, TikTok, or the BFAT, please sign up to the Discord server. Down below, there is a link to the Discord server. If you click that one, you will go to the Discord server. You will become part of the huge Bitcoin family. And yes, there you can also find the links, how to sign up, and how much it costs. You can also find the links to, for example, Bybit. If you wanted to start to trade on Bybit, so use those referral links. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Please leave a comment, as I love to love, as I love to love, I love to love. Yes, sometimes I make mistakes, as I love to love, as I love to respond to your comments. Thanks for watching today again, guys. Hopefully, see you tomorrow again. I need to zoom out in Bitcoin now and zoom in at live. And for me, zooming in at live today is visiting the Bitcoin meetup. Again, zooming in at Bitcoin. That's weird, but to meet all the Bitcoin people out there in Tulum. Thanks for watching. Wish you an amazing day while my beautiful wife is eating her apple in the background. Bye. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. And let me know in the comments, because I need to know if I can do it like this or not. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.